Okay, it's going. Come on.
I have to pee.
Oh my god, that sounded retarded. Okay, I don't have any more. Liar! You know you do. There you go. I love your burps.
Oh yeah, you know it.
I don't have any. No, you feel sad.
Dude, my stomach's hurting because I'm like forking them out.
And I have to pee, so it doesn't work when I pee. Why do you both have to pee? Probably to Starbucks. No, stop it! You're doing it when I'm putting it the wrong way. I hate this. Okay, it's gonna stay on you, Katherin. It's all on you. Okay, that's it. My little line of burps. Ouch. Ah! Okay. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Get back up. Come on. I'm gonna puke the next time. Okay, time. Stop.